Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am Dr. Goat. Today we're going to be testing out the Media Mod for the GoPro Hero 9. Alright guys, so I want to start this out by saying I believe on the box for this, if you can see that very well, this is the Media Mod for the GoPro. On the box, it says it's for the 9, 10, and 11. I'm not 100% sure about that. My GoPro is a Hero 9, so I specifically looked up the Hero 9. The way this test is going to go is I have my Sur Ron here. I'm going to be riding it down my road here in the neighborhood, doing about 25 miles an hour. With just the GoPro on, no Media Mod yet, talking. We'll see how it sounds, and then I will be doing, I'll be topping this thing out, which will be 40-45 miles an hour, and seeing how it sounds there. I will then do the same thing with the Media Mod on, just talking into the rear microphone. I honestly haven't hooked this up yet, so I'm not sure how to adjust the settings in there, but the rear microphone will be facing me, and so I'll be doing that. And then of course I'll be hooking in an external mic, which will be this guy right here, Power Device. So all of that is going to be mounted onto the front of my helmet here to this chin mount. Anyways, that's enough talking. Let's get at it. All right, guys, here we go. Initial test. Yeah. Like I said, we're gonna start out just going down the road here, doing about 25 miles an hour just to see how this sounds with no attachments. All right. Wow, I can't hardly see. Here we are though, about 25 miles an hour, just cruising down the road. No big deal. A little bit of wind. Not terrible though. Alright, 40, 44, that's 45, there we go. We're topped out, we're pinned. This is top speed on this bike, so however this sounds is, once again, this is no Media Mod on here. Just the GoPro out on its own. Alright guys, so I now have the Media Mod on, and I have switched it so that the rear microphone is what is recording this, I guess. So same thing once again. All right, see someone backing out of their driveway, but here we are, about 25 cruising speed, a little bit of wind. So, this is essentially, if you're just kind of cruising around the city, this is, I guess, what you can expect. Once again, this is rear mic enabled. Here we go. There's 40. Yep, 44, 45 right there. are, 45 mile an hour, Media Mod on, just talking regularly with the rear microphone enabled on the Media Mod. Let's see what difference that makes. Yeah, brother. All right, guys, so I now have my external mic hooked up, and yeah, to be honest, I already tried recording this once. Didn't realize that this microphone came with a little adapter that took it from supposedly a 4-pin to a 3-pin. I don't know much about this, but I had to hook that up to get any sort of audio out of it. So yeah, just a little note to you if you do get this microphone. Otherwise, I hear there's something such as a TRRS to a TRS adapter. You need that. You need the TRS for the Media Mod, I guess. But anyways, here we are, 25 mile an hour, just cruising, just chilling. Little bit of wind at our face. Neighbors looking at us because they are so shocked by an electric bike. That's life, I guess. Let's send it. 30, 40. There we go, 45 mile an hour. Quite a bit of wind at our face right now. This, once again, if you didn't see at the beginning, this is an open face helmet, like a dirt bike helmet. Yeah, that's what I use for this bike. So, this is our external mic test. I'm gonna just turn the corner here and pull over for a second. And then we will just turn around when we get the chance and head back to the house. Hopefully it's actually picking up audio this time. I believe it is now. But yeah, we'll see. I honestly thought that the rear-facing mic sounded pretty dang good when I was listening back to this. I was honestly pretty shocked. We'll see how it is. I'll have to try it with my full-face helmet on, but yeah, with this open-face helmet, that rear mic sounded pretty good, even, you know, at speeds like this, doing 45 mile an hour. So, ideally, this external mic should sound even better, but we will see. Alright guys, so there was the quick test. Honestly, right now, I actually am recording on the front microphone of the Media Mod. I will leave a link, well, multiple links in the description down below for this whole setup if you guys are interested. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Drop a comment down below. Let me know how it sounded to you, what sounded best, and what you thought. And as always, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.